I don't know. Huh?
Guys, good afternoon. Babiyahin na naman kami ni Master sa malayong lugar. Pupunta kami ng Al-Ain ngayon. Doon naman kami magde-deliver. Pero bago kami mag-Al-Ain, may dalawa kaming delivery dito sa Dubai. Isa sa Dera at saka isa sa JBC. Right, Master?
Yes. I also understand Philippines.
Good. Good. I told you, if every time they see you on my vlog, later on you are famous in the Philippines. When you go to Philippines, when someone see you in there, oh, Master Rodal. See? Guys, siya nga pala si Master Rodal. Peace Master in Facebook. Right, Master? So, siya lagi ang kasama ko. Ngayon, pupunta kami ngayon ng Dera. Mag-deliver. Dera. Pupunta kami ng JBC at Al-Ain para yung binok ng nakaraan. Kumbaga trial kung okay na lahat, fit na, and then parang ipupuli building na. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go.
How much this month?
$132.
100?
32. Good, no?
Yeah.
It's almost 300, 400. And last month I have balance of $97. So we'll put together, because you need to reach $100 before they can give you salary. If no $100, you cannot get the money.
They have no chewing gum?
Huh?
Chewing gum this?
Yes, going up. This time going to Dera is no traffic. Pero pag lumampas na ng mga 5 to 6 o'clock until 8, 9 o'clock, heavy traffic. Dito na agad kami sa Dera, guys. Pupunta kami ng Naib.